Hi, I'm Abby. I'm the RA here at the Diamond Tent House. So that means that I'm here just to help you with anything that you need while you are living here. I live upstairs in a bedroom, so you can just honestly just knock on my door and I'm here whenever. So a little bit about the house. We have 11 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, and 2 kitchens. Also, we are a 20-minute bus ride away from Waikiki and IIE. And we are right across the street from KCC, which every Saturday we have a farmer's market. I think, in my opinion, the best part about this house is the view. If you look out from the kitchen, you can just see the ocean right there, which I think is really, really nice. You don't really get that a lot here in Hawaii, is being able to live in a house with such a beautiful view.